Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Ito naman si Tita Jen. For today's video, I will be showing you another Kate Spade bag. And this time, it's Kate Spade Tegan. If you are a fan of Kate Spade, then this video is for you. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Okay, the material of this bag is pebbled leather, and here's the tag. It's $319.99 but 70% off at outlet. It has drawstring at both sides. It has feet at the bottom and two side pockets, top zip, and that's the logo. It has a suede lining, top zip with leather puller. What I like about this bag is, even if it is small, it is spacious inside. That's the side pocket. It has leather logo on the pocket. That's the care card. That's the Spade logo with Made in Vietnam at the back. And that's the serial number in the black. You can pull the string to make it wider. See, it became more spacious inside. Okay, let's see what will fit inside. I have these two Kate Spade wallets, slim wallets, and this big MK wallet, tissue, my alcohol, keys, cell phone. Okay, there you go, but you can still put more things inside. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video will help you if you're going to buy this kind of bag in the future. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.